I'm using the spacebar to play and to stop. So we should be able. And when I inserted this replacement audio, well, I'll just do another one quickly. It's playing and it's not obvious how to stop it, but I can use the spacebar as I did there, or you can actually just click on the pause button, which is what I did the first time. So the spacebar is quite key there for doing that. I'm just going to delete this one. Yes. Okay, and I quite like that, you know, the warnings it gives me. So that is really the key, to select the tracks that you want to work on because they show red on the left-hand side, and to unselect the ones you don't want to work with. Then, of course, let's say on this axis, and it's the same on this axis with these frames. You know, if you want to select those frames like that, you're dragging. Now this timeline, unlike maybe some programs that you've used, this timeline does not zoom out. So it just carries on like this. And if you want to go on down, you just have to scroll down. But there's no way to sort of zoom out from that timeline, it's just scrolling through it. But if I'm down here and I want to select the whole chunk of it, then I can scroll down to somewhere else, and then similar to how we select things in other programs, hold the Shift key before I click again. And now it's selected everything between those points. And if I delete that, that'll delete everything there. Or I can do other things on it. If it was just the audio, you can also do things like work on the volume level, which again might be useful because if you bring in different clips, they may not have the same or similar volume, might be a bit jarring. So that's one way to even it out. And of course, using different clips, I give it as an example there of maybe replacing your spoken word, but you could use another piece of audio as background music, just bring it in. And that would be marginally different because with the sound, you would do add new soundtrack like this and select the file. In this case, I won't do that. But